Hi guys, I have talked a few times about intermittent fasting, its benefits, and some other related stuff. But there is a wide question with everyone who has given a thought to intermittent fasting is how exactly weight loss happens during the fasting period. So today I am going to talk about phenomena that happens inside the body when you are on fast. So let's start. First of all, let's start with three main sources of energy in our food. Number one is proteins. Proteins are used for building tissues, cells, and support the immune system. Number two is fats. Fats help in absorbing vitamins and minerals in the body and give us energy. Number third is carbs. Carbs is a main source of energy. So when we eat food, our digestive system breaks energy from these three sources into the different forms. Energy from proteins is broken into amino acids. As you see in the picture, the proteins that we eat from food gets converted into amino acids and are stored in the muscles. These amino acids are consumed by muscles and other cells for repairing in the body. Since these cells can store only limited quantity, remaining gets converted into glucose and travels in the bloodstream. Energy from fats is converted into fatty acids. These fatty acids are stored in the fat cells in the body. This is the second store of energy to be used after its other functions like protecting the organs, regulating body temperature, etc. Energy from carbs is converted into glucose, which is our first source of energy for body to function. As you can see in this picture, carbs gets converted into glucose and that travels in the bloodstream. So energy needed by body is taken from this glucose. Some of the glucose is stored by liver called as glycogen for future use in between the meals. Remaining gets converted into fats and stored in the fat cells around body parts like stomach, thighs, etc. So in this picture, the left side shows the glycogen stored in the liver and the right side really shows the fats that are stored around stomach and thighs or other body parts in the body. So basically you have two stores of energy. Glycogen, which is simple to use just like ready to eat meal but very limited in quantity. Other is fats, which is quite harder to use because you have to first convert the energy from the fats. It is in the similar way like the home cooked food where you have to first chop, cook and then eat. But you can produce as much as you want. So when you are on fast, glucose levels in the blood goes down and body uses glycogen for functioning. When the glycogen store is used, keeping minimum for the specific functions, as you can see in the picture, it shows the reduced glycogen levels in the liver. So what happens is, body would need to take the remaining energy from fats to function. This is when a fat burning process kicks in, generally after 10 to 12 hours of start of the fast. So this picture depicts the fat cells that has been reduced in terms of producing more energy for the body during the fasting period. So longer you fast, longer would be your fat burning process. And if you exercise during this fast, fat burning process will become even more quicker. So this is how body loses fats during the intermittent fasting and leads to weight loss. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. And if you feel like sharing the information, please hit on the share button. Thank you.